Hey guys, welcome to another Total Home Quick Tip. So we're doing a bulkhead here, and one trick I like to do, because I hate crooked bulkheads, it drives me crazy, especially when you paint them, and if you're using like dark and light paint colors, it really shows. Maybe not on a big bulkhead like this, but smaller ones where you just have to bump out around like a pipe or something like that. It just, it stands out like a sore thumb. So here's what I like to do: take a little piece of corner bead and put it on here. Like, I'm gonna drywall this obviously, but for now I'm just gonna put this on, and then you put your level up against it and you get it level. And so essentially what you're doing is you're spacing it over probably about 1/8 of an inch, and then you screw it in tight, and by the time you add the drywall, add your corner bead, it should be nice and straight. And that's how we do it. All right, talk to you later.